This is OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today we would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you need to somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The quickest and the most convenient way to do that is by swiping downwards from the top part of your display. So you launch the notification and control center. From here, look for the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like so and long press on it. And once at the Wi-Fi options page, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. Tap on it, and at the very top of the page you'll see the dedicated Wi-Fi QR code section, which you want to tap on, and as you can see, this little pop-up window appears, and in here you'll be able to find the actual password for this network, which is in my case HardReset, and the QR code, which we can scan by any other device and get it automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.